My name is Christian and I'm about 40 years old and I've been working with bicycles, interested in bicycles almost all my life, and I'm actually graduated in film and media science, but I started working with bikes. Actually, I was a bicycle messenger when I was studying for 4 years, and then I've been doing this for maybe 5 years, maybe 10 years in all. And now I have my own bike shop and I build my own bikes. I chose this because I really love bicycles and I want to create my own bicycles, and that's giving me a joy of life. So that's really why. And I like to be my own boss as well. So cheap way of transport, and the cities are built for it. I mean, big cities like Copenhagen is built for bicycles. So most of all, the benefits are it's healthy and you get around in town easily, and you don't have to park your car, and you're out in the air. That's what I like, being outside. This, what I build, is the most popular in my shop. So right now, it's like for ladies, it's like old-fashioned bicycles. For young people, it's fixed gear bicycles. I think I have had maybe 40, 50 bicycles myself. Yeah. Right now I have 10, but yeah. So I think the most common problem is it's very easy, tightening the chain. This becomes loose over time, and if you don't tighten the chain, then it will come off eventually. That's actually what I do the most. I think you have a special relationship with bicycles in Denmark because you grow up with bicycles. You get one when you're very young, and someone even gets a bicycle before they can ride a bicycle. So I think that you live with it all your life. Most of all, I think people should take care of each other, whether they're in a car or on a bicycle. I think that's a better environment, that people should think there's other people around them.